In this video, I am going to show you how to get a loan from Cash App easily and quickly. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the bank icon located at the bottom left corner of the app. Next, look for the Borrow option. If you see it, that means you're eligible for a loan through Cash App. If you don't see this option, it may not be available for your account at this time. If you have access to the Borrow feature, tap on it to see the amount you can borrow. Cash App typically offers loans in small amounts, usually ranging from $20 to $200. Select the amount you wish to borrow and tap on Continue. You'll be shown the repayment terms, including any fees or interest associated with the loan. Review this information carefully. If you agree to the terms, confirm your loan request. The funds will be deposited into your Cash App account shortly. Remember, you will need to repay the loan by the specified due date to avoid any fees. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.